The one thing that kind of makes me furious about learning to trade are the number of gurus and marketers that create some kind of a product or service that is literally designed to deceive people and rip them off. And for the most part, that's just about everything that I've ever found. And I've been finding this for many years. What's happening right now in the crypto industry is a lot like what happened in the Forex industry when Forex first became popular in the retail market, which was only 1997 when it first became available. And what I notice is that there are many marketers and marketing company and professional businesses who decided that they wanted to have some kind of a product or service in the trading industry, but they didn't actually know how to trade. And so they would just kind of make up something so that they could sell it. I bought many of these programs and spent a lot of money, thousands and thousands of dollars on different products and services that were supposed to teach you how to trade. And I knew a lot of other people who bought even more than I did. And here's what I discovered. You could go down to the local bookstore and you could get some kind of a basic book on trading, like Technical Analysis for Dummies. Then you could just take one chapter of that book and you could convert that into the new Forex Annihilator Destroyer system. You could take a chapter from a book, say, here's moving averages, they go up and down. You could take that and say, here's the new Jedi training system. People believe that in order to trade this market, you need some kind of a cutting-edge, highly advanced, complicated, algorithmic system. They're just not as interested to discover that the way to trade it is based on the same way that you would trade any market from long before crypto even existed, from before Forex even existed. People were trading the market, and that's exactly what works right now. You take a chart and you look at it and you learn to tell if it's going up or down and whether it's turning, using skills to learn to tell if the market is going up and down or if it's turning. This can all be done with nothing but your eyes looking at a chart, and a lot of people don't believe that that's possible. After all, when it comes to selling products and services, you need some kind of unique selling proposition, and you need the right kind of story to tell people about why this particular system is the most cutting-edge system that you could possibly use. So how much more is this the case when it comes to crypto with Bitcoin, Dogecoin, Ethereum? People actually believe that because crypto is supposedly high-tech and it's got blockchain, then it must be really hard to trade, and there must be some secret computerized algorithmic system that's going to tell you how to trade it, rather than to take the chart and look at it and say, here it's turning, it's going up, here it's finished going up, now it's going down. And people don't believe that you can look at a chart and do that. And in fact, that's the whole way that anybody could trade any market, is to look at a chart and see what it's doing. I look at crypto and it's not any different at all from any market that ever existed before it. On top of that, when you add in the fact that everyone is being indoctrinated that in order to get involved in crypto, you have to adopt a belief system that's like a religious conversion, so that you now believe that this particular cryptocurrency is going to become the world's crypto in the future. And what we have actually seen is that cryptocurrencies have no real limited supply. It's arbitrary and artificial. And when you combine that with the fact that other companies can come out with new cryptocurrencies that are better and have better features and work better as becoming the new cryptocurrency of the world, what I can see is that there is no cryptocurrency that cannot become obsolete in the future and be replaced. What would stop it from happening? There's nothing that could stop any cryptocurrency from ending up being replaced. And if you got all that money in it, then you're going to be out of everything that you invested in it. And that's why trading cryptocurrencies should have nothing to do with that. You can enter or exit trades. Doesn't matter whether it's going up or down, and you don't have to be personally committed to believing that it must go up or down. And you can make money whether any market, whether any currency is going up or down. And all you got to do is look at it and learn to read it. I'll show you more about how you can actually do that yourself. If you'd like to learn more about how this works, you can enroll in our free training program to get you started. And you can watch me do it live every day to see for yourself the next trade. Why is it an entry? And then why does it come out to be profitable for you? And when you do that, you will just keep on developing your skill more and more until it becomes second nature to you. And then you can make as much money as you like trading cryptocurrencies, Forex, or any other market.